Well, what is going on, peeps? Back out on the road. Sunny day. Passed me a Beamer. You know, I thought I was the slowest thing on the road. Putting along. Give me speed. Got places to be, people. Thank you. All right, now eyes like a hawk. I wonder what they got in there. Llamas. That's what they get. Those two jaw-jacking with each other. Oh, hi! And you all thought SoCal drives were angry and horrible. It's okay, someone's about to prove me wrong in a minute. Just you wait. Out on the open road. Look at that. Beautiful. Don't get much more beautiful than that. Alrighty. Off we go. Here's another jaywalker. Chippies. Look at all them pretty lovelies. Charlie 6. Bye, Felicia. Oh, Steve. Slow it down, Steve. Or do I say bye? Oh, it's getting pretty dark. Thanks for riding along. Catch you on the next one.